Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of becoming an AI Specialized Help Desk Technician. We'll cover the essential skills you need, the training programs to consider, and the career opportunities that await you in this rapidly evolving field. So, if you're ready to take your tech support skills to the next level with AI, let's get started. By becoming an AI specialized help desk technician, you can future proof your skills in an ever evolving tech landscape. With AI integration, you'll open doors to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals adept in AI. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries as you'll be more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as your assistant. Embrace this path to stay ahead, enhance your career prospects, and maximize your earning potential. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program to help you become an AI specialized help desk technician. With AI developments advancing rapidly, we ensure you're always updated on the latest AI trends and tools relevant to your role. Stay informed, stay skilled, and stay ahead with Complete AI Training. Our AI video training programs are designed to transform you into an AI specialized help desk technician. Dive into the latest prompt courses tailored for help desk technicians. Explore custom GPTs, specialized for specific tasks, and access organized AI tools. Join our course and certification program to elevate your expertise. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for help desk technicians. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert help desk technician. You can start a 3-day trial today.